Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F05 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings option. In it, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have PG3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow or include it underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search something again on our Google Play Store, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, bye!